Here he come. Okay, he done cleared it. Come on, baby. Oh, please. That back wheel trying to hang off. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Don't flip. Oh! Ooh, hold it. Ah! That thing trying to act up. Ah! God dang. Back at this gate.
Oh, barely. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, so did Jay. And the high one too.
Okay, here we come. Oh, I think got past one gate.
Yeah.
Okay, he get on through that now. Okay. Uh-oh. So did y'all say it's a penalty to go in reverse or nah?
Yeah, it's 1 point to reverse.
Oh, 1 point to reverse?
They're cheap. You got a lot of them.
Okay.
Which means if you've got to do it,
Yeah.
do it right.
If you gotta do it right.
Gate that's 10 points.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You can do 7 reverses and still have less than hitting the
Then hitting the gate. Okay. Yeah, so we're reversing better than hitting the gate, y'all. We got Kidnap in the building. What's up, Kidnap? Don't hurt nobody and kidnap them. Who else we got? Twisted Soul. I just seen it on Sawblade website for events coming up. Which one? What's coming up? I seen it when I lived in NYC. They have lawnmower racing at the end of the month in Texas. What? Where they do that at? I might need to pull up to that. Alrighty, guys. Coming up next, we have who? Who?
Mike Jones.
Mike Jones. Get up on the microphone.
I like those rings.
Okay. He got the green light. Oh! Oh, please. Don't cost him 10 seconds, please.
There you go. There you go.
Oh! That's what I'm talking about. He done made it, y'all.
That thing might slow crawl it. Got that brass up front.
Oh, yeah.
You got it.
Oh, yeah. He doing something now, y'all. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, he made it. He ain't touched neither one? Okay. That's a little tricky gate right here, y'all. So you been having a little issue.
It's the first one, buddy.
It look like he got it though. Oh, he cutting that wheel, man. Come on with it. Come on with it. And I think I might be good at this, man. I bet I probably can drive that car like it ain't nothing, man. Hey, y'all, anybody got a donor car?
Yeah, I'll let you drive mine.
Yeah, man. Let me see if I can get up there, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have to film you.
Yeah.
You get on.
Oh, he got that tire rubbing, man. God,
Look at that steering, Gavin.
boy, he got some steering on
The
there.
steering on that's like.
Gavin, you put that steering arm on there? God. Let me see some. Oh.
There you go.
Okay, let's see. Well, he controlling that steering, man. What kind of shocks is them, Pete? What? Okay, here go that tricky gate. Let me see if he got it. It looked like he got it. Ooh, look. Clear. Uh-oh. One more. Ah. All right. He headed to the next gate, y'all. Here we come. He checking that suspension, making sure it's still responding. Do everybody out here run a different air pressure on their tires?
It worked out amazing last time.
Whatever Eddie puts in those magic little bags is what we got inside.
Okay. Oh, that's where the phone come in handy at. Okay. Boy, he got that suspension working on this thing here like a real monster truck. Ooh, ooh. Come on, baby. Get some grip. Ooh, golly. He knocked one over off. Ah. He cut headed toward me. Let me get out the way. Well, look at that suspension. It looks broke. Is it? Ooh, he done slid down the hill. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. His Twisted Soul in here, man. Change the title to, I don't know. I had testing in there. I guess you could take the testing out. We rock crawling. RC rock crawling. Action event. Something we need to say. Ooh. Ooh, this is crooked. God. Oh, man. If he can get out of there. Ah. Ooh. Okay. What that time looking like?
4 minutes and 48 seconds.
4 minutes and 48 seconds. Okay. Okay. How many reverses he did?
3.
3 reverses and 1 knockdown?
3 knockdowns.
3 knockdowns? Okay.
First comes up to 33 penalties.